Kia ora te whānau, ko Ihaka tēnei. I'm just here tonight just to do my second post, my second video. Taku wero tuarua mo te Preheats. So first of all, I'd just like to say a big, huge shout out to everyone that made me and my family feel so welcome being part of this page. So first of all, just wanted to acknowledge every single one of you all and say thank you very much for the awhi. Before I get started with this, so matua, our fearless leader, te Umuariki, has messaged me to have a little bit of a kororo around the sentence structure of tihei wā mauriora. So when you usually hear somebody finish off as an introduction into their mihi, they'll end with those particular kupu. And from where I'm from, up in Ngāpuhi, we accentuate that structure with the kupu wā, tihei wā mauriora. Whereas in some other rohe, other hapu that are down the line, they disregard the kupu wā. And where we're from, what I have been told by an old kuia many years ago from up there, not actually from Waihapu, but from Ngāpuhi Nui Tonu, she explained it to me kind of like this. She said that te kupu wā was to accentuate the whole structure. So, tihei wā mauriora, she explained it like this. It means to say, I have deserved my right, my time to stand. This is my time. So that was the description or the definition of what that particular structure. So hopefully that helps. So say for instance, if you are listening to a person or a certain person doing a mihi, and then they finish off through part of their mihi and they go, oh, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tihei wā mauriora. The likelihood is that probably that person is from up north, TAKOHA. So I just thought I'd let everybody know a little bit about that. You'll hear other iwi, they will disregard it, and they're probably from down the southern side, south side of Bombay. So kia ora everyone, that was the first thing. So he wero, anei, ngā hua, he aporo, he paramu wai poroporo, he nectarine ke, he apple, purple plum, and nectarine. No Māori word for nectarine, he hua rātou, pea, maybe. So yeah, so that's my wero. As you can see, got the old kitchen, the kauta at the back. So just thought I'd come and do this short video for you all. Actually, just to finish it off, I thought I'd invite my daughters back up. They've been sitting there so patiently watching me. I've actually stuffed up the video a couple of times, so I've had to kind of delete. So they've sat there patiently waiting for me. So we'll finish off with a, I'll get behind you, Zach. I don't know the action like you do. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, here we go, whānau. Ready for you all. Ka pioio, just a little bit of that. Ready? Toru, wha.
Ka pioio e tofu aroa o kainga. Eloki maira, kia ki te atu I toi iwi e. E roto ana, e kata ana maria. Pukana petero mai te ia o matua. Kia ki te atu ano, I toa taua e kana para. Pupui ai e te hau ka poi a kuro e mata. Kapi oi e tohu aroha o kainga. Kapi oi e tohu aroha o kainga.
daughters. Thank you very much. So kia ora whānau, that was our challenge done for tonight. I hope everyone has a mean night. It's about 10:30 now, and yeah, at night, so it's, you'll probably see this in the morning. But anyway, I'd like to wish everyone all the best and go hard with the challenges whānau, and wish you fellas all the best in our haerenga together. Ngā mihi nui. Okay. Pumari e.